Okay, this is my sort of solution for the wobble axis minimal weight problem. I will put this here, and this goes here. This part will come up top. That's the part that connects to the bed. Now, this part is a bit tricky to keep the ball bearings in place. You take the spring and the bottom, which has a little, I hope you can see that, has a little hole for the spring to hold it in place, and then we screw it all together. You don't need to use the nut. I simply didn't have any shorter screws. Yeah, this is a little bit awkward to do, sorry. I will have to do it a bit off camera. I will try to do the next one in camera. Okay. Here I got the first one in. I'll close the contraption slowly with the rest of the screws and then tighten it up. Just making sure that everything is sitting in place before I continue screwing it. Closing the screws, I better straighten this screw up first. Nice, Jamie. The top part is made so that the screw will cut their threads when you screw them in. This is just a remix. I hope you guys will find it useful. As you can see, it can, just a second, I will need to straighten it up, make sure that everything sits in place. As you can see, everything can still work. Oh, sorry, it was off frame. I'm terribly sorry. As you can see, it has the Wobblex freedom of movement, and the spring keeps it tight.